Today we'll be looking at yet another chapter in your Geography of Goa syllabus for Standard 5th, that is Industries, Trade and Transport. Let us move to the first topic, that is industries. What are industries? They are units in which farm yields and natural produce are processed before they can be used by the people. Industries can be further classified into three kinds, that is large scale, medium scale, and small scale cottage industries. Goa has many industrial estates. All these estates have facilities like sheds, electricity, water supply, etc. These facilities are provided by the government. Sheds are available to people who want to set up industries. We have industrial estates at Kolni, located at Old Goa, San Jose near Margam, Sankwa near Kottali, Karaspada near Mapsa, Betora near Ponda. Exports. Goa produces a number of products and it exports iron ore, manganese ore, cashew nuts, canned fruits, salt fish, coconuts, betel nuts, ready-made garments, etc. Imports. Goa buys various goods from other states as well as from other countries. It imports machinery, trucks, cars, petroleum, kerosene, bicycles, watches, electronic equipments, food grains, vegetables, etc. Transport, which is your second topic or second subtopic under the chapter. Firstly, let us understand the definition. Transport means carrying people and goods from one place to another. This is done using various means and modes of transport. Roadways. Roads are classified as national highways, state roads, district roads, and village roads. National highways are important roads that connect one state with another state. We have three main national highways, that is NH4A, NH17, and NH17A. NH4, NH4A connects Pancham and Belgaum of Karnataka. NH17 starts in Mahanad in Maharashtra, enters Goa through Patra Devi in north, and goes till Kanagona in the south. NH17A is from Kottali till the Mormugao Harbour. Railways. Goa has two railway routes. From west to east is the South Central Railway, which is about 60 kilometers long. Its terminus is at Vasco da Gama. The Konkan Railway route runs in the north-south direction and is 105 kilometers long. Its terminus is at Margam. Waterways. Most of the rivers in Goa can be used as waterways. Trawlers are used for fishing. Barges carry mineral ores through the rivers to the Mormugao Harbour, and ferries are used to transport people across rivers. The Mormugao. This port is located in the Mormugao Taluka and is one of the best natural harbors in India. This port is safe from storms and is open to ships throughout the year. Mineral ores and goods are exported from this port to other countries. Airways. The airport in Goa is at Dabolim, and a new airport is also located at Mopa, known as Manohar International Airport. One part of the airport is used by the Indian Navy at Daboli Airport, and is called the INS Hansa. The other part is the commercial airport. Many airlines carry passengers and goods from Dabuli to other airports in India and abroad. So that's all for the chapter. If you like the chapter, don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. See you in the next one. Until then, bye, take care, and keep watching.